Which among the following process is related to chromatophores? Chromatophores are the pigment-containing structures found in certain organisms, primarily in bacteria, cyanobacteria, and algae. So these structures are involved in the process of photosynthesis because they contain the pigments like chlorophyll in plants and cyanobacteria and other photosynthetic pigments that capture light energy. So this light energy is captured and it is used to produce food, that is glucose for the organism through the process photosynthesis. So the answer is option B, photosynthesis. Whereas coming to option A, respiration, chromatophores are not involved in respiration, which is a process of energy production from the breakdown of food molecules. Option C, growth. Though photosynthesis contributes to the energy needed for the growth, chromatophores are not directly participating in growth process. Option D, movement. They are not involved in the movement. Movement is typically facilitated by the structures like flagella, cilia, etc. So the correct answer is option B, photosynthesis.